Hello everybody, I'm Gemify, and in this video I'm going to be going over standard deviation versus the mean. Now before I begin, I'd like to just let you know, I have already done this video, but I made a mistake, so I deleted that video, and this is the update. Anyway, be sure to like and subscribe if it's helpful, and yeah. Anyway, let's just begin. So, standard deviation, which is an A-star topic, versus the mean. So the mean tells us the average out of a set of data, whereas standard deviation tells us how spread out the data is from the mean. Anyway, Tom asked Siri to generate. It was, I don't know, 5 numbers, right? Out from 1 to 20. It doesn't matter, right? Anyway, so before I carry on, I need to introduce some symbols to you. So this is normally seen as in the axes. It's in the x and y axes. And this is x squared. X squared is whatever the value of x times the value of x. So if I said, like, I don't know, x equals 3, x squared would be 9. Anyway, so and this is the formula we're going to be using. Now, when I first saw this, I thought it was going to be difficult as well, but it's really not. All you have to do is break it down. And now this symbol here, so you have a little x with a little line on top, it's called x bar. Now the x bar is just a fancy way of saying the mean, okay? So if I say x bar at any point, it's just the mean. So anyway, let's see, right. So first we find the mean of the x column. We do this by adding up the numbers, only on this side. Oh, I can't draw on it, okay? Only the side, we only add up 4, 8, 2, 6, and 18. So for now, we just leave out x squared. 36 divided by 5 is 7.2. Anyway, then we add up the x squared column, right? So adding them up, and we get 444. Now, we don't divide by the mean yet, okay? Anyway, next, I need to introduce a little symbol to you. See this red one that looks like this? Well, you can see it, can't you? It means the sum of, or all of them added together. So the sum of x squared is 444, as it's all of these on this side, the 16, 64, 4, 36, and 324. So that without holding my breath. The sum of x squared is 444. So we have 444. Now, you'll see here, look, this over here, this is like where things went wrong. So I just corrected it. And if I was to use a rubber on it, then I think it would actually no, if I press back it wouldn't work, but if I use rubber, I could use rubber. Anyway, so 4, if I can draw it, there, that's how it was. So 444 divided by the mean. So, sorry, no, not the mean, the amount of numbers. N equals the amount of numbers. So in this case, there's 5 on each side. So it's just 5. So what we're doing here, 444 divided by 5, if I can draw it. There. So now this is confusing because I've drawn on it by accident. Hang on. See if I can use a rubber. There, perfect. Black pen, there. So 444 divided by 5 is 88.8. You can see here on the first time I said it was 88.4. So now we got to do is 88.8, which is the x squared, right? So in case you don't know, just take the second column, x squared. I scroll down. At the start, minus the mean, so or x bar. So 7.2 times 7.2 is 51.84, or 8.84. And now we do 88.8, which is x squared, minus x bar, the mean, and it's 36.96. And as you can see here, this was the first mistake, which I can just get rid of now. There we go. Pen, there, okay. So we have this number now, but now we have to find the square root of it. Now, normally during exams, if you've got this kind of question, you'll have a calculator. Right? No, yeah, you'd have a calculator, so it'd be easy enough to do. 36.96, the square root of that, is 6.079, or 6.1. That's the answer. 6.1 is the standard deviation of my set of results. I definitely did not make up on the spot. The first couple of times I really struggled with this, okay? But I was able to pick it up after a couple of days, okay? A couple of days, I should say. And as I've already mentioned, I made this video, but I got some of it wrong, so I've checked it. That's what math should be like. Hard, but when you understand it, it's a piece of cake. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this was helpful, and be sure to like and subscribe. Have a good day.